Want to automate your Google business profile with GoHighLevel for streamlined marketing and reputation management? Here's how. First, log into your GHL account and navigate to the Integrations tab. Select Google Business Profile and authorize the connection via OAuth. This links your GBP accounts to GHL. Why connect? This integration lets you auto-post updates, promotions, and more directly to your GBP from GHL workflows, saving you time and ensuring consistent online visibility. Plus, reviews from GBP are automatically pulled into GHL, enabling you to set up auto-responses or alerts for negative feedback, all integrated with your email, SMS campaigns. Automating these processes is crucial for local businesses aiming to boost their online presence efficiently. Once connected, leverage GHL's Workflow Builder to create automated posts for GBP. Include text, images, and videos in your posts, adding calls to action like booking links for real-time engagement. On the review management side, GHL's CRM will populate with GBP reviews. Set up rules to automatically thank positive reviewers or receive immediate alerts for negative ones, allowing for prompt responses and issue resolution. Looking ahead, expect more AI-driven features within GHL, like AI-suggested post content. The trend is toward multi-platform automation, with GHL partnering with numerous apps for expanded capabilities. Keep an eye on Google's API updates to stay ahead of changes and ensure seamless integration.